what you're proposing isn't fast and simple. Okay, you look at the other printers out there, and the result is when you give an engineer, just say, here, design something. But he doesn't know a damn thing about the industry it's going into. They don't even understand construction. And you end up with stuff that takes a week to build. 35 by 35 printer, one of our most popular printers. 35 by 50, our second most popular printer. But we build printers up to 100. Our smallest printer is an 18 by 18. That's kind of cool. We sell you the printer you need, the size that you need for what it is you're trying to build. You start making money, you buy another one. I want something that can do twice as much, twice as big. Everybody else, you know, the circle printers, the spider printer companies, all these other people, you buy a printer and then you try and design something that will work for the printer. It's one of that's one of the tests we tell you. Take a set of plans, send it to them and say, how long would it take to print this? Anything else, it's how do you compare it, apples to apples? How much to print this plan? Okay, you got these circle printers and they got tracks and you can drive them inside and everything else, but they're 6 feet wide. You've seen a hallway that's 6 feet wide? You've seen, how am I going to turn that in a hallway into a bedroom to continue printing? They certainly can't print a whole house. And they're crying foul, look, yeah, we can print, you know, I'm like, they're circle printers. I'm like, we can print squares. Yeah, if it fits in a damn circle, you can print a square. Okay? But you got to move your printer 15 times to print the same house I can print without moving my printer one time. And even still, you're only printing 6 inches, move it 6 inches, move it again 6 inches. And when you get done doing that, you start all over and put your second 6 inches or 12 inches down. And then when you get done, you do it again and again and again. You got to know what you're looking at. Get to know us. Let's get under some NDAs. And I'll show you time lapse. Okay? And I'm not talking about all the parts are sitting right there ready to go. They're sitting on a trailer outside the tent. Okay? And go. Start 4 guys. They put the thing together in 39 minutes without a $350 a day telehandler to lift all your stuff, to unload all your proprietary mix, to hold your damn hose above the printer because they don't have hose management, but we'll get to that. So